So here in Africa, this is how we set our fire. You can see it. Here we have bushmeat. You can see our bushmeat. What are you looking at? I'm showing you fire. Look at the fire. So you can see the fire is coming up. Yes, please bring it. Yes. Our food is almost ready. No, this is not sacrifice for the gods. This is bushmeat. You have to put all the firewood in so that things can be in place. Learn, not tomorrow. Now, when you get married, now you'll be finding who will take care of your husband. All these small girls come and be taking care of your husband. Learn. You see that the fire is that. Can you see the fire? The fire is coming up. Woo! You see it because. All right. I'm still gonna blow it more. Oh, okay, now let's go and eat.